Okay, so in this particular question, we have given two different polynomials, 2x cube minus 7x square plus ax minus 6 and x cube minus 8x square plus 2a plus 1 into x minus 16, right? And it is given that the polynomials leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. Then find the value of a, correct? So let us name these polynomials. Let us call the first polynomial p1x, right, which is 2x cube minus 7x square plus ax minus 6, right? And the second polynomial p2x is x cube minus 8x square plus 2a plus 1 into x minus 16. Now if we divide these polynomials by x minus 2, then whatever remainder we get will be same as the value of these polynomials at x equal to 2. This is the basic idea of remainder theorem, right? So how to write that? Value of the first polynomial at x equal to 2 is given by p1 2, right? Which means that I have used 2 in place of x, correct? So if you do that, you will get 2 into 2 cube minus 7 into 2 square plus a into 2 minus 6, right? This is some remainder. Let us say it is equal to r. We cannot calculate this complete value because we have this variable a in it, right? Similarly, if you have to calculate the value of the remainder when we divide the second polynomial with x minus 2, then all we have to do is find the value of the second polynomial at x equal to 2, which means that I have to calculate 2 into 2 cube, sorry, not 2 into 2 cube, just 2 cube minus 8 into 2 square plus 2a plus 1 into 2 minus 16, right? This should give me the value of remainder. But it is given to us that both of these give the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. So if I have already called the first remainder as r, second remainder is also r, right? So on simplification we should get something like the first remainder becomes equal to minus 6 plus 2a on simplification. This is p1 2, right? And p2 2 on simplification gives us minus 38 plus 4a, right? But since both these values are equal, I can equate these values and I should write minus 6a minus 6 plus 2a is equal to minus 38 plus 4a, right? This will give me the value of a. This will first give me 32 is equal to 2a, which means that a is equal to 16. This is the value of a.